beautiful people. I genuinely hope that you all are doing great, and I assume that you also want to know that how am I doing. And let me tell you, I am super excited. Keep watching this video, and in the end of the video, I'm going to tell you why am I so excited. Okay, I'm gonna control myself. So basically, this is an introduction video for my YouTube channel, like brand new YouTube channel. So I've already been creating content on Instagram for a quite long now. But YouTube have just recently started, and I've made few mini vlogs as well. But introduction video is my first introduction video, and I'm very excited to start from scratch. I'm really grateful, and I really hope that you guys support me the way you have all supported me on Instagram. So I really hope. So I'll be using my YouTube channel for my travel content, like mostly travel content, and I'll be covering from planning to execution, everything possible. So I'll be taking you to my whole journey, which will say that how did I fell in love with traveling, and hopefully that will make you subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So I was born in Ahmedabad, Gujarat in the year 2000. So which makes me 23-year-old right now. And my first international trip was in 2017, and I was 17 years old at that time. And uh, like it was a life-changing experience, I must say, because I went to Europe for a folk dance festival. And when I went there, so our festival was in Jaca, Spain. And when I went there, it just felt like I'm in a whole new world, because the culture was so different, people were so different and so friendly, I must say. And it was so beautiful. I mean, experiencing something really different from you have seen. That time I have decided that I can't do something 9 to 5 and just live like that. I have to do something which makes me travel, right? That somehow I completed my 12th and got passed. So as soon as I got my results, I was like, okay, I'm relieved now. I can plan about my future now and can do something with it. And I have started making a list of things I wanted to do actually. So there was a long list actually. I also wanted to become a photographer, a journalist. I think I also wanted to become a news reporter, and I was also thinking about it. Yeah, if I choose any of this career, I'll be able to travel. And then suddenly, what came into my mind was becoming a air hostess. I mean, cabin attendant, right? So which literally impressed me. I thought like, okay, wow, like you get to travel and you get paid for it, and also uh, you can live luxurious life. So when I decided that okay, like I wanted to become a cabin attendant, then I started researching about it and started giving interviews. So when I got selected, I was on top of the world, because I have not thought that I'll get selected on my first go. And I was so happy and feeling so blessed that out of so many girls I got selected. And um, I was feeling that okay, I have achieved something, and now I'll be able to travel like as many places as I want. And actually, and honestly, my parents were so happy. They were like, oh my god, you are the first girl in the entire family who got selected, and they were so proud and everything. I got to travel so much, like so almost every state of India I have seen. The almost every country near to India, which is in Asia, have seen. I went to Dubai and Kuwait and Bombay, Delhi, Chennai, and everything is just so beautiful. I mean, you can't just be at one state and live your entire life. I mean, everyone should travel and they should just keep traveling, because there is so much to experience. And the feeling of every place and the vibe of every place is just so different. I mean, it's incredible. It's incredible. So, after working in Indigo for 2.5 years, something happened. And it was COVID. Oh my god, I just can't believe that happened. uh it just, I had to wind up my stuff, and I came back to my hometown. I came back to Gujarat, and airline stopped its operations and the traveling stopped. I mean, I was just literally thinking that, oh my god, it's COVID. Please, I want to go somewhere. I want to go, at least I want to go out of my house, and I can't survive in my home. But it was a nice experience because I got to live with my family, and I spent, I mean, the best time with my family maybe in COVID only. Because before that, even when I used to stay with my family, I was never home. Like, I always used to roam around, like some Garba classes, drama classes, this class. So when the lockdown got finished, uh, finally, like, first thing I did was I planned a trekking trip, and I went to Kedar Kantha trekking, which was incredible. I mean, if I tell you, like, if you want to see um, a heaven on earth, then you must go to Kedar Kantha. It is just so amazing. Yeah, so Kedar Kantha was my first trekking trip, and it was incredible. It was amazing. And even after coming back from Kedar Kantha, I again started flying, and um, I explored a lot even after that. But never thought of, sharing my travel experience on social media and making a career out of it or anything like that. But now I have decided that like, why not? Like, if I love traveling, and if I am traveling so much, and now I have decided that wherever I will travel, whatever my experience will be, I'm definitely going to share with you all on YouTube channel. Yeah, so here I am, going to use this YouTube channel for my all the travel contents. And as I promised, I'm going to give you all the details from planning to execution. And now it's time for a surprise, which is, so the reason for me being so excited is, for my YouTube channel, I'm going to plan a trip, an international trip, and I'm going to take you guys to Turkey. Oh my god, yes, yes. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, because each and every update and each and every details about how am I going to plan my trip, to how I'm going to do my bookings, and how am I going to travel, every details I'm going to give you on this channel. So that's why you need to subscribe to my channel right now. And thank you so much again for watching my video, and thank you so much for supporting me till now. If you're watching this video right now, then thank you so much. Love you, and please keep supporting me like that.